Ya, listo, yo empiezo. Eh, Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the CIP. It is the national institution that brings together and regulates engineers in our country, promoting ethics, quality, and professionalism. In this presentation, we'll explain what the CIP is, how it was founded, what its code of ethics includes, and finally, we'll share a recent case that shows how those ethical principles are applied in practice. What's the CIP? The College of Engineers of Peru. CIP is a non-profit professional institution that unites and represents engineers from all disciplines nationwide. It promotes ethical and responsible engineering practice, ensuring high standards of quality, professionalism, and respect. The CIP supports the advancement of knowledge and encourages continuous development, guiding Peruvian society in key decisions and strengthening the role of engineering as a driving force for national progress in a globalized world.
In my case, I explain how it all began. In 1932, the College of Engineers of Peru was first proposed during the first National Engineering Conference organized by the Society of Engineers of Peru, but it was not implemented at that time. In 1962, thanks to the efforts of engineers and Senator Enrique Martinelli, Law number 14086 was enacted on June 8, 1962 under President Manuel Prado, officially establishing the CIP. In 1986, due to change and the need for decentralization, the CIP board, led by engineer Gonzalo Garcia Núñez, proposed a reform of the institutional statute. And in 1987, on January 20, 1987, law number 24648 was approved, repealing the original law and granting greater autonomy and decentralization to the CIP's departmental councils.
What is the Code of Ethics del Perú? The Code of Ethics of the College of Engineers of Peru, CIP, is a set of standards and principles that guide the ethical behavior of engineers in the practice of their profession. This code seeks to ensure that engineers act honestly, responsibly, and for the benefit of the society. It is based on the CIP statute, which grant invalidity in integrities into the institution legal structure. To ensure compliance, the deontologic regulation define the procedures for evaluating ethical violation and applying sanctions.
Case Study Resolution. In this recent case, engineer Martin Leonardo Severino Urbina was investigated for a serious ethical violation. The complaint was initiated by the CIP itself a denuncia de oficio in May 2024. The case was resolved on July 1st, 2024. The engineer's actions were found to be against public interest, violating Article 228 of the Code. This case shows how the CIP enforces ethics in real situations, protecting both society and the profession.
In, in conclusion, the CIP plays a key role in ensuring ethical, responsible, and high-quality engineering practice in the country. Through its code of ethics and regulatory power, it builds trust and promotes national development. Cases like the one we saw today remind us that ethics are not just theory, they are applied and enforced to benefit everyone. That's all for this presentation. Thank you.